At first, turn on the battery cover at the bottom of the remote. Install 3 5th series batteries. Install the aircraft batteries. Then expand the upper arms of the aircraft and uphold the lower arms. Open power supply at the bottom of the aircraft. Put the aircraft on the horizontal ground. Press the power switch of the remote control. Push up left rocker on the remote control. The flashing light in front of the vehicle indicates adjusting frequency. Push down left rocker on the remote control. The front green light and rear red light stop flashing indicates the aircraft succeeds in adjusting frequency. Aircraft is ready to take off. Make sure the aircraft is placed on the horizontal ground before a flight. First, push down 2 rockers at the bottom simultaneously, snapping outward to calibrate the gyroscope. The front green light and rear red light stop flashing, indicates the aircraft makes a successful proofreading. Open the instructions. Scan the 2-dimensional code. Android system scans Google 2-dimensional code to download and install software. Apple system scans iOS 2-dimensional code to download and install software. Open phone setup option after software installation is completed. Click Connect to Wi-Fi until connected and exit settings. Click to open XS WIFO app software. Click Play Key to open start page, and the system is automatically recognized into a real-time transmission interface. Clip the phone to cell phone bracket on the remote control. First, pull 2 rockers at the bottom and move inward. After the blades rotating, push the left rocker up lightly. The aircraft can take off. You can also click one-click takeoff button on the remote control. The aircraft will automatically take off to a height of 1 meter. Then it hovers in the air. Push the left rocker up to up. Pull it down to drop. Push a left to rotate counterclockwise. Push a right to clockwise rotation. The right rocker is pushed up to fly forward. Pull it down to fly backward. Push a left to fly to the left. Push a right to fly to the right. When landing, pull the left rocker to the bottom until aircraft stops, landing on the ground to stop flying. You can also click the one-touch landing button. Aircraft will complete the automatic landing. When there is an emergency, it needs to be landed. Press the stop button to stop the aircraft and make a landing. You can then share the photos and videos that you have taken on a variety of social platforms such as Weibo, Microcredit Circle, Facebook, etc.